Ting ting! Welcome back to Great Quiz Channel and get ready for a Would You Rather Mystery Gift Showdown. We will present you with 2 options, 2 gifts you've already known, and 1 hidden gem. Before starting to watch the video, I will honor those who have commented to support. Those who want to be honored, please comment and we will honor in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing quizzes and let's get started. 1 Would You Rather? Pepperoni pizza or extra cheese pizza? Two, would you rather? iPad or Kindle? Three, would you rather? Chocolate cupcake or caramel cupcake? Four, would you rather? Burger or pizza? Five, would you rather? Barbie or Chucky? Six, would you rather? Summer or winter? Seven, would you rather? Penthouse or mansion house? Eight, would you rather? Minecraft or Roblox? Nine, would you rather? Gaming PC or gaming console? 10, would you rather? Ice cream cone or ice cream popsicle? 11, would you rather? Puppy or kitten? 12, would you rather? Chocolate strawberries or rotten strawberries? 13, would you rather? Gold bathroom or porta potty? 14, would you rather? Spider-Man or Iron Man? 15, would you rather? Rolex watch or Apple Watch? 16, would you rather? $1,000 or a super Lamborghini? 17, would you rather? Swimming float or personal jet ski? 18, would you rather? Racing horse or wooden horse? 19, would you rather? Pancakes or waffles? 20, would you rather? Flower bouquet or candy bouquet? 21, would you rather? Nothing or gold car? 22, would you rather? Nike or Adidas? 23, would you rather? Strawberry pancakes or chocolate chip pancakes? 24, would you rather? Starbucks drink or Dunkin's Donuts drink? 25, would you rather? Shopping at Gucci store or shopping at Dior store? 26, would you rather? Mercedes or Audi? 27, would you rather? Fried chicken box or empty box? 28, would you rather? A tent or a beach house? 29, would you rather? Motorcycle or old bicycle? 30, would you rather? Helicopter or airplane? 31, would you rather? Lay's or the world's hottest chips? 32, would you rather? Dive with dolphins or bungee jumping? 33, would you rather? Pink bedroom or blue bedroom? 34, would you rather? Burger or chili ice cream? 35, would you rather? Air Jordan sneakers or fish slipper? 36, would you rather? A penthouse in New York City or a luxury villa in Hawaii? 37, would you rather? Be friend with PewDiePie or be friend with Taylor Swift? 38, would you rather? Chocolate waffles or fruit waffles? 39, would you rather? Beach villa or Mootin Chalet? 40, would you rather? Toilet paper or bacon toilet paper? 41, would you rather? Skateboard or roller skate? 42, would you rather? Cotton candy or lollipop? 43, would you rather? Salad or soup? 45, would you rather? Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish? 46, would you rather? M&M's or Skittles? 47, would you rather? Peanut butter or Nutella? 48, would you rather? Hot Cheetos or Hot Takis? 49, would you rather? Cheeseburger or hot dog? 50, would you rather? Gatorade or Monster Energy? 51, would you rather? Buttered popcorn or cheese popcorn? 52, would you rather? McDonald's Big Mac or Burger King Whopper? 53, would you rather? Gold or ruby? 54, would you rather raw chicken or burnt chicken? 55, would you rather fruit juices or sodas? 56, would you rather 57, would you rather raw chicken or comment your favorite food? 58, would you rather Rolls-Royce or Bentley? 59, would you rather unlimited candies or unlimited fruits? 60, would you rather Lay's or Pringles? 61, would you rather French fries or onion rings? 62, would you rather water park or amusement park? 63, would you rather bungee jumping or skydiving? 64, would you rather brownies or blondies? 65, would you rather Dior or Chanel? 66, would you rather Shamrock Shake or Grimm's Hay Shake? 67, would you rather trip to France or trip to Japan? 68, would you rather vintage TV or smart TV? 69, would you rather live with alien or like the video? 70, would you rather aquarium or swimming pool? 71, would you rather Blizzard or McFlurry? 72, would you rather AirPods or AirPods Max? 73, would you rather burritos or empty plate? 74, would you rather apple pie or pumpkin pie? 75, would you rather save this dog or save this cat? 'How many questions could you guess today? What other topics would you like to cover? Let us know and write it in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.